Questions 38 through 40 refer to the following conversation.
Okay, Mr. Mattson, you've now seen our renovated locker rooms, lobby and concession area. What do you think so far?
I must say, I'm glad I came here today to check out the renovations that were made to the stadium. It looks like the money I invested in this facility has been put to good use. The new court is especially impressive. The Hawks players must be very pleased with the results.
Absolutely. In fact, many commented on how nice the court is after practicing on it 2 days ago. Now, if you follow me this way, I'll show you around the new luxury seating area, which only VIP guests will be able to use for our home games.
Number 38. Where does the conversation take place? Number 39. What is the purpose of the man's visit? Number 40. What does the woman say about VIP guests?